January the 5th, and it starts quite cloudy. It's been interesting though to see how the day will break down here when the sun's rising. Yeah, it's very cloudy today, but I'm guessing we will see colorful sky anyway. I never get tired of this view. It's so dark that my camera needs light to film. But that will change. Just 5 minutes on the road. Put the pin down here. Birdies are all there. It's not much of a sunlight today, guys. No much of a sunlight today. But it is very quiet on the ocean. Strange things to find in the sea. Yeah. By the beach. Feels like it will come rain. Probably. Still nothing though. So it is when it's cloudy. And what we not can see is Torremolinos and Malaga, of course, but it is in this direction. But the first place is Fuengirola. I'm looking for rays, but I'm not quite sure how to recognize it. I've never seen that on the beach before. Oh, and here you are, my darling sunshine. Yeah, very much welcome. Ooh, the sunshine live. When it rises and the day starts. Guys, look at that. Oh, I'm really enjoying myself. Wow.